robberies, ransacking, raiders. Real? Is this real? Is this real? Real time. Really happening. Right now. Right now. Right now, robbery. Is this not scary? It feels scary. It's kind of scary. I just want to talk about it. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a shopaholic, actually. Luxury lover, fashion freak. I like luxury fashion. I talk about luxury fashion. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and stick around and keep on watching. Become a part of my luxury loving addiction family, shopaholic family, and stay tuned for the video. I was trying to change up my intro. I don't know. I'm trying to find something different. Today's video is going to be about, we're going to talk about robberies and luxury and like the whole whatever. This is Wednesdays whatever. So there were a couple videos on TikTok of a couple of robberies that have happened recently in LA, big designer stores, and so I want to watch them with you guys, talk about them, why it's happening, what we think. What are your thoughts? What are my thoughts? What it means, and also just kind of like the whole like luxury world right now and why it's happening and prices, fakes and everything. I don't know, I'm just having extremely conscious thought. I just saw this video on TikTok and I was just shocked. So I wanted to get on here and talk about it real quick. So there was this video on TikTok, kids, young adults, I don't know, people in hoodies, like in all dark clothes, hoodies, masks, like hidden faces, running out of Gucci store. I believe it was at the Bloomingdale's in Century City, which, so yeah, this is happening in LA, which maybe it has happened before, but I haven't been as privy to it. I'm sure it has. That might just me not remembering. Okay. 9 men were caught on camera robbing a Gucci store in California in broad daylight. And they're just running out. There's not 39. It was a week ago on Daily Mail posted it. A bunch of places posted it. They're just running out with all this Gucci luggage, like dropped it. They just kind of took the whole place. The security doesn't do anything. Nobody does anything. Again, it's property stealing, so like it's not like they had weapons or anything like that. Maybe they didn't, but nobody's gonna get involved and like try to get hurt. Like it's most about people's safety. They're stealing stuff. Not that that's like not a small crime. It is a big crime, but I think that they basically are gonna stop this way. So I'm sure they got overwhelmed. Like people just didn't expect it to happen. That all these people, I don't know if it was a coordinated attack, like a flash dance, like they were all like in there already shopping, and then they all just at the same time like were go and grab shit, like put their hoods on and grab. Who knows? I don't know. But so they took a bunch of stuff, and it was kind of like a little just like a shock. And then yesterday, I guess, another robbery happened in Glendale at the Americana. I guess actually first there was a robbery. There was an attempted robbery in Glendale at Gucci, but they weren't successful. But then there was at the Americana 22 hours ago at Saint Laurent, and they went in 30 of them and took all these Saint Laurent bags. Like, they're just running out. I mean, bags. Like, first of all, how did they pull it off of the thingy? Anyway, I watched an interview. There's like, they just keep coming. There's more of them. They just keep running out with this bags and bags and bags. And there's like no security chasing them. And also in the other video, the security guard like kind of just like was standing there. Again, maybe they're not supposed to confront, maybe they're not supposed to interact, maybe they had a gun, I don't know what it was, but yeah, there was a security guard at the end walking like very brisk walk. Okay, so I guess the point is, so what I want to talk about was, or just have a discussion. So first of all, what do you guys think? Have you guys seen these videos? Were you there? I don't know. It's kind of, I mean, it's a little, it just makes me a little scared and uncomfortable. Not that anybody's coming to rob me right here, but then I like went down the robbery hole of watching other robbery videos, and then there's these videos of people trying to break into people's houses. They like pretend to be delivery people. They pretend to be this or that. They like will come in or try to like, you know. Then there's another one in Riverside, the Gucci one, sensitive content. Let's see. Oh, be careful with your deliveries. This guy. K Jewelers. "14 hours ago, Assalto K Jewelers robbery." Okay, this is the first one I'm thinking. They're just taking all this jewelry out of the store. Fudge. And then I saw another one of a guy just breaking into the back of somebody's car and taking their suitcase. And there's another video of people just taking suitcases, which makes me scared to travel. I get very paranoid. I get very scared of this kind of stuff. But also because I have a little bit of a, not PTSD, but like, okay, so somebody broke into my car, robbed, I took my bags, and I had some watches in there and bags and stuff like that. I think I've talked about it before. If I haven't, somebody broke into my car, parked broad daylight in the morning, a block from a police station where you could see the police station, but it was on the corner of a street. So like it was like the police station was on this street and I was on this street and I was on the corner, but it was broad daylight in the morning. I had a bag, I had a Louis Vuitton bag, and I had 2 Louis Vuitton bags and some watches in one of the bags. And I don't even know how anybody would know that there were watches in there. Like, it still baffles me, because the bag was not that expensive. It's not that expensive a bag. It was like a really vintage Saccados epi leather crossbody backpack from Louis Vuitton. That's, you know, probably like, I mean, they don't make it in the store anymore. It was probably like, I don't know, like $500 now on the resale market or something like that. Like, it's not a very expensive bag, relative, but there were 3 really nice watches and 3 expensive watches inside, but I don't know how anyone would know that. Anyway, they broke into my car, took it. So I'm a little traumatized by that. And I've also had stuff stolen from me, both at home and outside home. So I'm just very about this. This is why I'm so paranoid about my stuff, and also like keeping it safe and keeping it separate and keeping things. But now I'm just like, I'm also just starting to feel like I have too much stuff, which we know I have too much stuff, but I have too much stuff, even spread out, too much stuff in too many places. And like, I have insurance for everything like that, and I like whatever if I get robbed, but like, this is not whatever. It's not whatever. I don't like, you know, but like, I'm worried about like my safety, or like, you know, my family's safety, or like, you know, that kind of stuff. But anyway, so all these robberies are happening. So someone broke into the back of the car, and it's just like, it's making me scared about like having luxury stuff, like, because it makes you a target, right? Especially stuff that like is flaunting, or flashy, sorry. And it's not like somebody's gonna go and just like be robbed. Maybe they will, maybe they won't, but what is this stemming from? What is happening right now? And why, and how is this, like, where is this going? Like, are people gonna start just robbing people, like random people? Like, just like there were these 2 girls that people just took their suitcases, like on the street, and like so like, is somebody gonna come and like try to like take your bracelet, like take your jewelry, or take your bag, your handbag? Like, it's kind of scary to think about. Or follow you home and try to get your stuff, all your stuff, or show up and try to find out where you live. And like, me being public about, not public, whatever, like posting these videos and talking about all my stuff on here does make me a little uncomfortable now that I'm saying it out loud and thinking about it. But then again, at the other side, like, you gotta live your life and you gotta do what you want to do, and you gotta, like, I'm trying to like build something here, grow something, and like do something different, and like live my life too. I can't like be also like stunted and like live in fear. It's kind of like a back and forth that I always deal with, of like taking a risk and taking a leap, or like being comfortable and being safe, right? Something that I probably need to go more therapy about, and also something that like I deal with in the program too. But I just think, I don't know, I'm just getting a little nervous about all my stuff. I'm just thinking about my stuff. It's just like it's scary. So okay, that was a tangent. I went on a really long tangent. So these robberies are happening. It makes it scary, like what's gonna happen next? Where they're gonna, if they could get away with it there, and they got away with it yesterday at Saint Laurent. I watched an interview with a police officer. They have like, there's nothing they do. Like, there were 30 of them. They went in at the same time. They overpowered the staff and the patrons. It's about protecting the staff and the patrons more than it's about the bags. The bags are whatever, right? But it's still like a big loss for, obviously, not like it's a loss for YSL. They just went in, took it all, and left, like, and like weren't caught. They had cars waiting. They had like 10 cars waiting. There were 30 of them. They ran away. They, like, some people chased and some people like tried to grab stuff, but they got away. One guy's like pants fell off and you could see his butt in one of the videos. But anyway, it's like, it's kind of scary because they could target, like if they're targeting jewelry stores, like they could target, I mean, is this going to make luxury, like what's the luxury industry going to do? Are they going to start having stores? I guess I don't have a side camera, but like maybe not have as many bags out in the front, or have them like, I hope they have them like tagged in some sort of way, like the display models, like so that they can be tracked, but maybe they don't, but maybe they should. Because also now, like, what's gonna happen to these bags? What are they doing with the bags? What are they doing with the bags? Are they gonna sell them? And if they're gonna sell them, where are they gonna sell them? Well, actually, a lot of people on TikTok are like, where's the link? Can I get this bag half off? Like, where's the link to where they're selling these people? Like, who are they gonna sell it to? I mean, like, they're stolen, right? So you can't exactly take them back to the store and return them or whatever. You can't, I'm sure I don't know about like consigning it to certain places or selling it on resale websites. I guess you could, but if there's no receipt or proof of evidence, or I don't know, if 30 bags from YSL show up on somebody's, like, I guess they'll probably, I'm trying to think of how they're gonna do it. I have no idea how they're gonna do it, but like maybe they'll all post one separately on something, or like spread out. But like, I don't know or maybe they're just gonna use them and keep them, or maybe they're gonna just sell them to their friends for like 500 bucks. Or maybe they're using them to make good copies and fakes. I don't know what it is, but part of it I think is because the luxury industry is getting so expensive, right? Everything, the prices keep going up. It's getting harder and harder to entry level buy some of these things. And also you're seeing social media with all these people having these bags everywhere you look. Somebody's got an Hermès unboxing, a Birkin unboxing, and a lot of them are fake. As we know, like, they're not all real. They can't all be real. And also there's like a lot of super fakes now. People are buying super fakes. But the whole fake industry is also like its own, like, that's actually illegal. It is illegal to buy fake bags. People keep forgetting that. People are buying on DHgate left and right. People are buying on AliExpress. People are buying on, like, even on TikTok. I will see TikToks of people posting fake bags and how they got them. And because the luxury industry is making it so hard, but then it's also hurting the luxury. It's hurting the luxury industry. And now this is also going to be hurting the luxury industry. Is it like going to come to a point where it's going to stop? Is people going to stop buying luxury? Are people going to start just buying? I don't know if people, I guess that's a different conversation about where the luxury industry is going, and people are going to buy fakes and buy what they're going to stop buying because of the price increases and because of the unattainability and like all of that and barrier to entry and all of that and stuff like that. But like, it's like, why are they doing this? Are they doing it just to steal, to make money? Or are they doing it because they can't afford the bags? Or are they doing it because of social media? Or are they doing it because they want to be able, I don't know. Like, I wonder if Hermès is going to get robbed. I mean, like, or Chanel. Like, why is it, like, I would think they would rob a Chanel or Hermès, but maybe those bags are harder. Those bags are the ones that you could sell easier or make more money on, I think. I guess you're making money on, I guess they're making money on all of these because they're getting them for free, so it doesn't really matter whatever. And I guess YSL might be like YSL and Gucci are easier sell because they're at lower price points than Hermès and Chanel. Now I'm thinking like them. Okay, anyway, what do you guys think? Like, what? I don't know. It's like, is this not scary? It feels scary. It feels like unsafe, because if this is possible at a store, at a big boutique store, huge company like Gucci or YSL, like, it's possible and they're getting away with it. Like, what's to stop them from just robbing people? What's to stop people from just robbing someone on the street, or going to somebody's place of work, or trying to break into somebody's house or a car, or I don't know, when you walk out of when you walk out of Hermès with your bag, like, somebody can just grab your bag, or when you walk out of a boutique and buy something. The world's getting scary, I guess, is the gist of this. The world's getting scary. I'm scared, and I don't have a solution or answer. This is just what I was thinking as I was watching this today, this Wednesday, August 9th. Right after yesterday, I had the whole Lions Gate portal manifesting thing of, like, manifesting a great new year and manifesting, like, taking bigger risks and things like that. And now I'm, like, feeling like I want to, like, just crawl into a hole and be safe. No, but I gotta manifest, or I'll never leave the house. I can't do that. Okay, manifest. Take big risks. Manifest. Envision your future. Set your intentions for the year. All those things. That was what yesterday was about, or this whole Lionsgate portal thing, which I'm not a big astrology or astronomy, both person. There was something in the air yesterday. I'm a little scared. I'm a little worried. I don't know what it means. I want to know why. I want to know more. But also, like what? Yeah, what kind of luxury? What should be done to stop this? And why are they doing it? Why are they selling? Like, what are they selling them, or like what? Where are they gonna sell them? Who are they gonna sell them to? They're stolen. It makes no sense. Unless I'm very naive and I don't understand, and you can easily do that. I don't know. Also, don't those little things that are attached to them like explode with ink when you take them out or something? Or like, how do they even pull them out? I guess, whatever, logistic questions. Okay. I thought I would have more insight about what to talk about here, and also I would come up with something in the spot, but literally I don't know what to think about this. So I want to hear what you guys think. And maybe I'll do a follow-up when I have put together some better thoughts about this. Robberies. Scary world. Okay. Well, that's all I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos and become part of my luxury addicted family. I know you, if you like this video, share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemy and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thanks, guys. Stay safe out there, everyone. Stay safe.